Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to turn on Facebook professional mode. Professional mode is new features from Facebook which give users the opportunity to monetize their personal account. Once you have changed your profile to the mode, your post will become public and anyone follow you on your profile. Before starting the video, I have a request. If our video is of any benefit to you, please give a like and comment on the video. Your like and comment will encourage us to make next video. If you're a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. Launch the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad or Android device. Go to your profile. Tap the three dots on the right hand side. Then click Turn on Professional Mode. Click Turn On. Click three dot icon and click Skip a Step. Refresh your Facebook profile page. You can see our professional mode is enabled. How do you get one if the professional mode is not showing here? Another video link will be given in the video description box. Watch that video, then you will understand how you can get professional mode on your profile. If you're a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. If our video is useful to you, then like the video and share with your friends and family member.
Thanks for watching.